Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys doing great. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your storage with your Google account. First, we need to sign in with your Google account. Then we need to click here and click on account. In your left, we need to click on payments and subscriptions tab and scroll down. Here we have the account storage. Your account storage is shared across Google services like Drive, Gmail, and Photos. Now I'm going to click on Manage Storage. As you can see, you have got 15 GB of storage and you can use it for Google Photos, Google Drive, and Gmail. You can clean up space if you want to. From 15 GB used, you can see the storage details. Google Drive 0, Gmail 0, Google Photo is 0. You can just click on the Google Drive to open the Google Drive or Gmail or Google Photos. As you can see, ways to use your Google account storage. You can back up your phone, upload photos, and more. To back up your device, you can click here, and as you can see, it's going to give you the backup, what you can backup Android or iOS. And also you can import photos from Facebook to Google Photos. Go to Facebook. And also here we have import photos from iCloud to Google Photos. You can just click here to go to iCloud. And as you can see, choose the Google One plan that is right for you, which is this current, and you can get more with Google One, like room to grow, help for Google experts, options to add family, extra member benefits. You can get more storage if you want to. And also if I click on benefits, so you can see the subscribe for more benefits. You can see the plans and more security and perks with premium. If I get the premium, you can see the premium magic editor with unlimited saves. In Google Photos, use magic editor to reimagine your photos and save as many edits or edited photos as you like. You can view the details from here. If I click on home, so with home only, you can see the storage used. You can click on backup is off. You can clean up the space from here, and you can get more out of Google if I just click here. So this is how we can get into the Google account storage. And if you want to upgrade and you need for more storage, you can just click right here. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.